Welcome to our channel where today we're diving into the easiest way to redeem Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards swiftly and effectively. Welcome to our channel. It's time to unlock the secrets to redeeming Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards with a quick and efficient method that will have you cruising the skies sooner than you think. First step is to log into your Rapid Rewards account on Southwest Airlines' official site or app. Then navigate to the Rewards Redemption section. Here you'll find all available options from flights to upgrades and more. Next, decide your travel dates and destination. Keep in mind that redemption values can vary, so flexibility might get you the best deal. Once you select a flight, the site will show you the points needed alongside the cash price, giving you a clear comparison. Now it's time to make your choice. You can redeem points entirely or combine them with cash if you don't have enough points for a full flight. This feature is called the Points Plus Cash option, providing great value and flexibility. After deciding your method, just follow the prompts to confirm your booking and ensure your information is accurate, especially your traveler details and payment method for any leftover balance. One more tip to speed things up: consider booking during Southwest sale dates when the points required are reduced significantly, making your rewards stretch further. Another insider trick is to sign up for Southwest's email alerts. This way, you'll get instant notices about sales and promotions straight to your inbox. Keep in mind, rapid redemptions also apply to upgrading your seat and adding extras like early bird check-in, which enhance your travel experience without extra hassle. Finally, always check your points balance regularly and plan upcoming travels ahead so you can accumulate enough points for your dream trip. Redeeming your Southwest Rapid Rewards doesn't have to be complicated. By following these clear steps, you save time and maximize the value of every point. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide makes your next Southwest redemption smooth and satisfying. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more travel tips and tricks.